Welcome back to Painted Kids. This is Jessica, and today we're going to be learning to draw Richard from the Cartoon Network series Unikitty. But before we get started, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. You know, with you guys supporting us and following us, it allows us to continue to do what we do, and that's make awesome art videos for you. Alright, let's get started. So for Richard, what we're going to be doing is drawing a straight line down, a long line over. We're going to go to the top and do the same thing, long line over, and then bring it down. So he's a nice long rectangle because Richard is just a Lego brick. So now we're going to go and do the tops of the Lego brick. So that's going to be 3 rectangles, up, over, down. We're doing that 3 times, up, over, down. And there we go. Now we're going to start with his eyes, and with this eye it's actually going to be a half circle, but it's going to be a little longer on one side. We're going to do his eyelid and come up, over, and down just a little bit to give him that nice little curve. And then with our other eye we're going to do just a half circle, and it's going to be the same on both sides. So not one side is going to be longer than the other, but our eyelid is going to be a little bit lower. So we're going to start one side, kind of swoop down, and then over. And then we're going to do a curved line on top to show his eyeball, another curved line on top, and then a curve on the side of his eye, from one side. Then we do a half circle in the corner of the eye, and they're both going to, the half circle is going to be on the right side of the eye, so that way he's kind of looking off to the side, because he kind of has a very meh personality. And now I'm just going to go ahead and fill in his eyes with all black. Once we're done with his eye, we're going to move over to his mouth. So we're going to make a straight little line up and down with a little bit of curve in it, and then a horizontal line with a little curve in it, giving him that nice mud look. Now we're going to go ahead and color him, and he's just a gray brick. So you just cover him all gray, and his eyes will stay white. So if you guys like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. If you want to see more fun videos just like this one, then go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And if you want to show up any of your Unikitty creations or any of your other video creations, then head on over to any of our social media platforms and show off your artistic ability. And those links will be in the description below. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and we'll see you next time.